All right. Hi, everybody. Okay, now let's give everybody another like 2 minutes before I start. Okay, so for those who have followed me on the last video, the part one video, so thank you very much for supporting us. And if you're the same person that comes to watch this second video, thank you again. Um, So you can let us know, after you have tried, uh, you know, watching back the video, or you have applied the account, and our friends, okay, Sandy will assist you in the live chat or in the message. So just let us know any questions in the comments. Then I'll try to answer after this. And yeah, before I begin, probably click on the watch party, share it in your social media. If you have friends that who are interested or looking for a solution for your restaurant or your shops, it can be food and beverage or even retail can utilize this system as well. So no issue. All right. And yes, now we have a viewer picking up. So let's wait for another 1 more minute, I would say. Okay, then yep. For those who relatively quite new to this LinkerFoo eMenu, you can we have a links of for the part one, so you can go and watch part one after this. Then, if you wish to apply an account, yeah. So we do open a free account at this moment. So it's a 3 months account for you to try, and even you want to kickstart immediately, also can do that as well. So um, do let us know so that we can PM you, okay? Then we will do the setup for you, as in we'll set up an account for you. It's pretty much very easy. So you once we set up, then you will get an email notifications. Then yes, we will guide you from there. Then, like I said, just let us know from the Facebook Messenger. Our customer service Sandy will take over. Okay. All right. Without further ado, let's start it. Let's get it started. Okay. Thank you again. Welcome to my second part of webinar. Okay. So in the first part, before I go to the talking about the first part itself, let us start with this slide. Okay. So it's the same slide like part one, but let's refresh um, you know our mind again. Okay, so initially our e-menu is created for um, restaurant or cafe, kind of like with a table where you scan the QR code for ordering instead of having a waiter to take order from you. Then, so because of this MCO, we further enhance the QR code whereby you as a business owner, okay, so you can actually put in your this QR code. It's a delivery QR code, which I will show you later how to generate. So this delivery QR code, okay, you can put it in your social media, your page, or you can share in the WhatsApp group, okay, or you can take the URL link as well. Just share it out. Then people will enter into your, we call it, maybe it's a website, your restaurant e-menu. Yeah. So then people will start to make an order. They will do a payment there. Then your device will receive an order. Okay, you can connect to your kitchen printer as well. So then your kitchen printer will print out the order for preparations, which I will cover on how you can actually divert um, two types of order. For example, you have a main course, then you have a drink. So you can actually divert this two different uh, kind of uh, meal into different kitchen. Yeah, if you have a big kitchens, so that will be very useful. Or you can even have we even can connect to a kitchen display. Yeah. So after preparations, then you can start to do your delivery. So this is basically what is all eMenu all about. So currently is quite very useful because everybody, especially the business owner, they try to adopt this uh, QR ordering tools to actually to bring back the sales, since the period of the lockdown. So this will be a very helpful tools. So for those in retail, there will be a workaround on how you can actually utilize the same platform as well. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Okay, like I said, we have 100 accounts for free that you can register directly. Let us know. We will help you to do the setup. Then you can proceed with play around with the system before you actually start to operate it. Okay, so let us know. Then we will help you from there. Okay, so let's go to this merchant backend. Okay, so I will show you. I will jump back and forth between the backend and also the front end. Okay, the front end is actually for there's two types of front end. One is for the business owner, merchant, and then one is for the customer. Okay, so I'll jump back and forth between them, just to let you know how things work. Okay, so hold on for a while. So once you register, right, these are the informations that are required for you to log in. Okay, merchant code, username, password. Yes, you can switch language. Okay, if you prefer Chinese, or you prefer Chinese, more Chinese, then you can actually go to Chinese. Otherwise, you just proceed with English. Okay, so I'll just click login. Oh, sorry, my code is missing. Okay, da, 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 da. Come on, come on. All right, so login successful. Yes, on the first part of this webinar, I have covered the fundamental part, as in, like, on the top right of this screen, merchant center. Okay, change password, very common, quick, very common. Then I cover the store management, how you edit your store informations, marketing statistic, or you can call it as a dashboard. Okay, your statistics. Okay, probably I'll show you the week. Yeah. So recently we play around, then you can start to see that's the statistics. Okay, you see graph, very nice graph, nice pie charts. All you need to get your information is all here. Okay. So next one is in the part one, I've covered the dish management. Okay, dish management. Yeah, I was playing around. There's a few items I created, which I will use in to show you later. Okay. Then for dish management, you create individual dish. Then you can do a category, you can do modifiers, things like that. Then we have a set management where you can have a single fixed item, or you can have a mix and match. We call it combinations. Okay. So for today webinar part two, I will cover the rest, which is tables. Uh, I'll try to cover all of them if possible. Then I will keep the order details and cashier report as the last part. Okay, cool. So, yep, for those who just joined us, don't forget to share this video, and also please like this video. Then yeah, just do whatever you want to share it out so that we get more people to come in and join us, and we yeah, so that everybody get as much as exposure as possible. Okay, so I will go to the next part, which is the table management. So if you are operating in restaurants, okay, you have X number of tables. You can use this to start to create your table, okay. But prior to that, um, if you have different sections, probably you have VIP room sections, or you have outdoor and indoor, or first floor or second floor. So you can use this area management to actually to section it out, your area. Okay, so very simple and very quickly, just put a name and click confirm. So over here I have a G floor, ground floor. just create one if you only have one floor. So for table wise, you create as much as possible. There's no limit because we have an inquiry that asking like, is there any charges? If you have like more than 10 table or whatever. So to us is we don't charge based on number of tables. So there's no limit. You can create. If you have if your restaurant is big as a hall, go ahead. Feel free to create as big as your hall. All right. So as creating a table is very easy, and you just need to set this up for one time only. Okay, so basically you are required to choose the area. Okay, then name of the table, you can put table 1 and 2, 3. So number of seat. Okay, this number of seat is very important because later on when you do a calculations, you want to know the average sales per head during the day. Yeah, this is will determine that amount. So it's very important. uh, don't try to exceed number or try to be less. So yeah, if you're concerned on the what we call this data, the average sales per packs per day, those kind of data. Okay, so once you have done that, okay, the top right of this screen, which is the new table button. So below it, we have three types of button. So these three types of buttons cater to three different services. Okay, so quick service, table, and delivery. So quick service, imagine the setup is something like fast food, KFC, McDonald's, where you need to queue up in front of the counter and start ordering. So that is for quick service type. So then if you have a table, okay, people sit down, then they'll just scan the QR code. So that's a table service QR. And if you would like to use for the online delivery or online ordering, it can be anywhere in Malaysia. Okay, they can do it from home. Then you generate the create QR code. Very easy, right? So yes, everything. If you have 10 tables, you create quick service of table. You will get what we call that a zip file. So inside the zip file, you will have all the QR codes. Yeah. So you can print this QR code and stick on the table, or you can get a standee. Okay, just put in the standee, then put on the table. It's as easy as that. Okay. So table management. The next one I'll jump into a staff management. So for staff, I believe that you have some of the staff, your different with a different role, can be supervisor, waiter, or even chef. So over here, usually in terms of that, what we use for this is if you assign a waiter to a role, specific role like taking order or serving, or somebody that use this merchant backend, or somebody that use operate the M post, the eMenu. So what I mean by M post is this. Okay, hold on a second. Let me change. So this is what we call as M post. Okay. Yeah, this is what we call as M post. So you have a table service, quick service, delivery order. So each specific QR code will actually point to this kind of what we call as a type of service. Okay. Yeah. So I'll go back again to the back end. So inside the back end here, right? Yeah, if you like somebody that to manage all this role, the back end and also the front end, the end post, you just can create their accounts here. Very straightforward, and probably you need to use this not only once because you probably have a different staff. Okay, somebody quit, somebody just joined. So this is what you can do here. Okay, very straightforward. Your role, surname, your surname, your first name, then user password, gender, IC, phone number, and even you can put their photo as well. Okay. So staff management, the function is for somebody to log into the back office to configure, or somebody to manage the end post, which is the front end. Those when people start order, after people order, so they will receive a notifications. Then they will, somebody has to go and attend to it. So that's the purpose. And also when people pay money, yeah, so somebody has to manage the end post. So next is printer management. Okay, so our printer management is actually is a network printer, which means you connect your printer using IP. So over here, I have created two types of printer. Okay, one is for kitchen, one is for bar. So create printer also very straightforward. You just name kitchen or bar. You can then choose a type of paper, 80 mm, and then save. Okay, numbers of copy you can inform the printer, to print how many copies. One copy, two copies, up to you. Okay. So next is this is what we call as print job routing. So over here I have set my dish name. Okay, my item. All right. So the printer port right now is showing kitchen or bar. That means somebody orders something. Let's say I'll just put a me color or whatever. It will send to both printer. So what you can do is, if you would like to divert all the drink, okay, to bar, you can do it by what we call it like multiple selections. Okay. So what I can do here is that I'll just pick my drink. Okay. Search. So I'll pick my drink. Okay. I only have two drinks here. All right. So I'll just select all. Then I'll do batch modifications. So I'll close my kitchen. Then I'll press confirm. See? So my drink has been all directed to the bar printer only. So it won't print in the kitchen printer. All right. So that's all about it for the printer management. Okay. So how frequent you will come here is that if you have a new dish or new item that you added, okay, for F&B, of course, then you have to come back here and do the routing. All right. So otherwise, if you don't do that, it will print to two of the printers. Okay. So only if you have the new stuff, new item, and sometimes in 1 year of calendar you have certain promo item. Yeah, you have to come here and do the setup. Okay. Um. Yeah. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Then our support team from different area, because we not all of us have been in lockdown, then we don't work in the same place at this moment. So we have people who come and answer your questions. Okay. Then all right. So for the next one, okay, this is what we call as a payment management, where you will do integrate with your current accounts, especially for the payment gateway. Okay, so we only have two at this moment. First is we do accept cash. You can do a cash. So cash here means you have an options that customer can pay at the counter. Okay, it is enabled as a counter. Another version is called as payment gateway. That means is you start to place order online. Then at the same time you can pay using your e-wallets. Okay, e-wallets, we support all three e-wallets. Okay, Boost, Touch and Go, and GrabPay. Okay, so for new merchants, okay, if you haven't have any all those three, or you only have one, uh, do let us know. We will encourage you uh, to have one account to manage all three uh, e-wallets, which is one. First is because of the convenience. Second is you don't have to go and jump. You don't have to jump here and there between the accounts. Then it will be a bit troublesome. Okay. So, but then yes, we only have IP88 at this moment, or or even if you have already signed up with IP88 and you face some difficulty, come and talk to us, and we will guide you from there. Okay. So very straightforward, all these things. It's not as difficult as compared to the part one, where a little bit difficult lah. All right. So next one is discount management. Okay, discount management is where you can start to create your promo item. Okay, or over here we only have two. Uh, so we only cater to two at this moment. Okay, bill discount, you can actually apply like percentage up to uh up to you. Sorry. Okay. Then order reductions. Okay. The function of order reduction is if your customer spend 100, you would like to give him 1 ringgit off. So that is where you use the reductions. Okay. Bill discount straightforward. You want to give 10%, 20%, or 5% by percentage. Yeah. So you use bill discount. Okay. So over here, you can actually see the statistic on how does your discount perform as well. So there's a small graph here. Okay, then how much is covered, all things like that. Okay, we come to the booth management. So booth management, what it does is that it gives you a very simple promotion on your what we call on your eMenu. That means okay, over here, right, we start with promotions. So this promotion, right, if you have something that's something like a poster, yes, a poster. So you let's say like today you're going to have a meal of the day or soup of the day, a poster. You can put it in. Then it's actually to notify like, hey, oh, this shop is having a promotions. I need to check it out. Yeah. All right. So here you upload a photo. So recommended dish. So recommended dish is function is if you feel like some of your item is not doing so well, and you would like it to appear like multiple time. I wouldn't say multiple time, but every time when people check out, okay, you will see this recommended dish appear in the what we call that uh, in the order list. Okay, I can give a try. Let's add some and see how it goes. I'll add one seafood. Okay, so I'll call it salmon. I'll just click save. Okay, so just leave it at the moment. Later we will go back to the customer front end and see how it works. Okay, for cashier reports, I'm going to skip for a while because I'm going to leave it for the last part. Okay, system setting pretty much very straightforward because it's a very simple tools. Okay, service charge. Um, yeah, if you charge service charge, then you can put it. Otherwise, you put 0. So tax number, if it's your SST number. Tax rate, 10%. Okay, you can put it in there. If let's say you don't charge any tax, just put it 0. For rounding purpose, small change. Okay, you can click this 5 cent rounding. Okay, it's a rounding to the nearest 5 cent. Currency, okay, is default, so you can't change anything. So fast food setting, which is the what we call it, the quick service. Okay, pound counter payment likewise. Oh yeah, you only can choose. You prefer you to do. You click on pay first because you got to pay first. Customer got to pay first. Then you only prepare the food. Okay. If you have a different model, like they can order first, then you click first make. So they make it first, then they can pay later. Okay. So type of sales, it can be dine in or take away. You can enable that. For dinner setting, which is the table. Okay, the table means over here is meal confirmation. That means is whatever you order, right? It will prompt you to confirm first. Otherwise, if you put no need to confirm, that means once they order, it will send to the kitchen straight away. Okay. Need confirmation will be managed by the restaurant owner. That means once the customer placed the order, uh, the restaurant owner will receive a notifications that incoming order. So then he will see whether this is okay or something. Perhaps there is sold out item. Let's say like suddenly I run out of a chicken or chicken wing, so I need to go and inform customer we don't have a chicken wing now. So before I send to kitchen, I can delete or something like that. So this is confirmation functions. Okay. So the last one is the delivery functions. Okay. So at this MCO period or CMCO period, although that you already allowed to open the your restaurant or your cafe, but you still don't want to open for customer to walk in. Okay. then you offer delivery. So it's up to you, very pretty much up to you whether you open or you close the other one or you operate both. Okay. So if you over here, if let's say you don't do delivery, you can off it. If yes, then you put yes lah. All right. For delivery fee at this moment, we only cater for a fixed price. If you only do delivery within Klang Valley for like 20 ringgit, so you can use this function to put 20 ringgit. Okay, just put it 20 ringgit, then it's done. So anywhere in Klang Valley, it costs customer 20 ringgit. Okay, but if you have a different locations, like you know, although it's still Klang Valley, but you want to put it like Shah Alam or Klang, so it's two different location, right? Then it will be different charges. So we are not able to cater that, but there's some workaround which you can consider. Okay. So web link again, you can actually copy the web link here. Other than the QR code, you can copy here straight away. So once you have done the setting, just click save, and that's it. All right. So um, before I go to the reports, let's go back to on the ordering part first. Okay, let me switch the front end for you. Okay, so if you have a second phone, okay, you can quickly scan this QR code. All right, the QR code, I have a delivery QR code, I have a table QR code. You can scan either one, okay, just to see how does the system works. But today I'm going to show you on the table because I have covered the delivery code in the part one. So today I'm going to show you the table version. All right, I'm going to switch my system to the front end. So hopefully, finger crossed that I don't crash this simulator anymore. Okay, so this is the table one layout. So if let's say you are using a table, you will see there's a table name on top of this. Okay, I'll just click start order. Again, I can't hit it back, right? Can I go back? Okay, so again, um, we have another language which is Chinese language. Okay, you can cater for these two types of language. We cater for these two type language as well. I'll proceed with English. Okay, yes, this is the number of packs. Okay, you can actually just click confirm, or let me try this. X, does it work or not? Okay, X doesn't work. It's okay. So just click confirm. If you're just doing delivery parts, um, you can just ignore the part by click confirm, and we receive quite a number of feedback from the customer that they say that they would like to turn this function off, and we are still considering it. Okay, so for the time being, let's skip it by pressing confirm. Okay, so quite a few items I have created. Okay, just to make it look nice. Okay, so what I want to do right now is that because this is a table, let's place what we call that the uh sorry, let's place a food. Okay, I want to order something. Let's say today I want to order a set meal. Okay, a set meal, then I want to choose between the course and between the drink. So I'll go to this lunch mix and match. Okay, mix and match. So I'll go to set lunch. So yes, I can have a, what is this? I couldn't see anything. Yeah, it's a loading notification. Don't worry about it. So over here, I can see like, there's a picture. I can put it later. So I have nasi lemak and mee kolo. Okay, so here it says selected one. I can choose either one. So I'll just choose nasi lemak. Click next. All right. So today we have Milo and teh tarik. So I'll just choose either one. Okay, next. So for this set, I just want one set. If let's say you have a partner who want to order the same thing, everybody I don't know what to eat, just say never mind, I'll follow you. Okay, I'll follow you. Then I'll just put two. Right. So I successfully add into the cart. Go to the cart. Okay. So go to the carts. This is where you see. Okay, you guys satisfied with your order. Anything your Milo, does it, you want it sugar or you want more sugar? No, just put a remark there. Okay, special instructions that you want kitchen to do for you. Okay, so yes, as you can see, you may also like Norwegian salmon. Remember the booth management just now, where if you have an item that's less popular, nobody wants to order, you can actually put it here. Okay, then it will actually create people to say that, hey, this is recommended dish. Okay, so after that, you click on next, place order. Yep, the order is in the counter payment. All right, so the counter has been sent to the, what we call that, the uh, what we call as to the end post. Okay, so over here you will receive your order. Okay, this is where it's a replacement to what we call as an order slip. Okay, so this is your order slip. Okay, so over here, if you have a promo code, you just put in your promo code. Okay, if you wish, after you finish your meal, if you wish to pay online, click pay. Otherwise, if you feel like adding more items, just click add. Then you go back to the menu, then click add. All right, so let's go to click pay. Yeah, because it's a table, then you have to go to the counter and pay. All right, so if I click add, sorry, I just click back, then I can start to add more order. Okay, it will still stick to the same table. All right, so different different services will have a different kind of workflow. So you just have to try one and another. Then at the same time, you can let us know, so we can tell you that which is suitable to your business model. Okay, do share with us your requirement. Then we will advise you from there. No, you can tell us what you want, and my business model is like this, like that. Then we will try to how to fit in your business into our system. Okay, all right. Okay, let me switch back to our merchant backend to cover the last two parts. Okay, for the last two parts, right? Okay, order details means transaction history. Okay, so transaction history here is that you will see those reports. Okay, what have been paid, what is to be paid, what has been cancelled, things like that. Okay, so then you can actually track your payment, your payment by date range. Okay, status, payment method, all these things. All right, so at the same time, you can go to this, click on the details, then you can see what are the details that particular order. All right, so yes, we do have a download functions. You can download all these reports for you to do your accounting purpose. Okay, so this is order details, is a transactions details of the particular day. Over here it shows yesterday. So if you want to show today, just select the dates. Okay, today is 15 and 15th. Okay, then I'll just click search. So it will show today. Okay, all these things that have been done this morning. So everything is to be paid, to be paid. Okay. All right, so the next one is reporting. Go to the cashier reports. Okay, look at the left-hand side panel. We have dish reports. Okay, I'll just go one by one. Dish sale report is to show you the performance of your dish. That means is today I want to know that how much I have sold. Okay, what are the total amount? So we have a dish and also a single item and also a set item. Okay, so again, you can download this report and you can see that how much the performance of your item. Okay, daily sales report. So daily sales report here is that if you would like to generate a weekly report, okay, you just come here and select the range of the date. So you will see the different kind of date here. Yeah, let me try. If let's say search, see. So I can see like, okay, like on the 13th of May, how much is my total sales? Then for yesterday, how much is my total sales? So this is for you to see a weekly report if you set it 7 days, or you can look at one full calendar month also. All right. So if you dive into much more um, smaller, what we call it, smaller time frame, which is you can go by hour. So at which hour you will get more sales. All right. So for example, here is a yesterday sales. Okay, there's a sales at between 2 to 15. Okay, there's only one transactions. Then I can see this here. Okay, average sales per bill and average sales per person. So if you recall the number of packs, this is where they will do the calculation for you. So all right, then you know that this particular hour we have this much of people, and the average sales is how much. Okay, for some of you, you will take it this statistic very important. Some of you just just good to have, so it's okay. All right. So next is bill cancellation reports. So sometimes as a business owner, you would like to know that why people cancel your mail. Okay, then you can come here and check it. Then you can see what is the reason people cancel as well. Okay, so here is where you do the cancellation. Sorry, here is where you can see the cancellation reason. All right. So again, our cashier reports and all other reports, they are downloadable. Okay. Then you can open up with your Excel file, or sorry, Excel software, or you use Mac, you can use that as well. Then you can actually tabulate your data and transfer to your accounting data. Sorry, accounting spreadsheet. All right. So again, do we have any questions? So if you don't have any questions, if you feel like you don't feel like asking us in the comment, it's okay, it's fine. Just PM us directly. Our friendly customer service Sandy will take over. Right, Sandy? I think Sandy is watching us. Okay. All right. Maybe I'll jump back to this what we call as the end post. Okay. So over here, okay, for those who just join us, we pretty much cover the merchant backend parts. And if you miss out, you can actually watch a replay later. Okay, we're going to put this live show as a replay. Then yeah, then what you can do right now is if you want to try this QR code for a very quick one, okay, the QR code on the left hand side of this screen will be shown I think forever. Okay, just copy down the URL link, or you can actually scan with your mobile phone. Take another phone and scan if you're using a mobile phone to watch our stream now. So use another phone and scan, then you try to play around with it. Okay, don't worry. This is what we call it. It's a demo account. Okay, if you would like to try with payment gateway, okay, we do have a IP88 inside our system. Okay, it's only catered for delivery code. Scan the delivery code. Try to place a Norwegian salmon, which is 1 ringgit, because demo account only allow us to transact 1 ringgit. So you click on Norwegian 1 ringgit, then you proceed with IP88. You fill those informations. Okay. For email, you can fill your exact email, because you will receive a notifications that you have done the payment. It's actually quite important. It's a part of like a e-receipt. So you can put your real emails. Okay, then you will receive that notifications. So your 1 ringgit later, uh, yes, it will be refunded to you also. Okay, you can try Boost, GrabPay, and also Touch and Go. Okay, use your real e-wallet to pay. It's okay. Just 1 ringgit. Then after that one, just do once lah. Don't need do 2 3 times lah. Okay, so just 1 ringgit, and then you see how it works. So if you face a problem where you don't get any refund by end of the day or by tomorrow, just PM us, let us know the transaction ID. Okay, they will send to your email. That's why I said email must be the one that you use. Don't simply put a dummy email lah. So Yes, you let us know the transaction ID, then we will try to check, and if there's no refund, we will request IP88 to refund to you. Okay, simple as that. All right, so let me jump back to the end post for a very simple one. So just now I used a table service to place an order, right? How many? 2 set meal. So I will receive a trigger here. Okay, table service. Okay, there's a pending pay here, right? So here will show the tables that's pending pay. Okay, so yes, this is the part where um, you can first thing first, you can view the order. Okay, you view the order first. Okay, or you can inform to the customer that okay, maybe this one don't have, then you just cancel. Okay, so just okay. Let me cancel this order first. Probably there's a 2 order here. Let me cancel because I've done the things earlier. Cancel order. So I'll put reason. Let's say duplicate. Confirm. Ah, there you go. Okay, so now I receive a new order. Okay, so I'll click here. Yeah, so for the new order, right, that's coming in is a new order here. So before, that's why it said it needs a confirmation before it's sent to kitchen. So I'll click here. I think I'll just order mi colo, right? Just to double check. Yeah, it's mi colo, right? So it's table service pending pay, mi colo. So as a cashier or waiter, I'll just come in and click confirm. So once confirmed, it will send to the kitchen. Okay, it's sent to kitchen. And, okay, let me click back and see table service. Yeah, so it will turn to pending pay. So I'll click here again. Okay, so I have done the cancel order, but let's go to the collect payment. So collect payment here is where you can accept cash lah. Okay, you can receive how much the tender amount, or you can use the quick shortcut here. Okay, if they pay 50, just click 50, or you can clear, you can actually type a certain number if you like. Okay, let's say I'll type 50 and click confirm, and that's it. So what you can see here is that because mPost is a minimal version of post system, so we have our devices is actually running on, sorry, our software has built together with integrate with what we call as iMean device. So there's a what we call as a uh, print receipt. Okay, I'll just quickly show you our sample of this print these devices. Okay, as you can see here. So this is iMean mPost. All right. So you probably couldn't see the image because there's a lights, the backlight. Okay. So what we can do here is that you can check it out their device in their website. Okay. I got a notifications. Yeah, somebody just ordered. Okay, I'll show you this. Huh. Hey, we have somebody. Yeah, somebody just placed an order for this nasi lemak 1 ringgit. Wow. So this is how you receive an order. Okay. So after that, you payment has been done. Yes, have done payment online. So if you click confirm, let me see. Okay. You can look back at my this monitor. Okay, this is loading. So this is the order came from somebody. Okay, delivery order. So I'll click back. Let's see. Let me try to print it out using this devices. Sorry, device. So again, yeah. So for those who just join us, don't worry. You can actually always recall. Oh, sorry. You can watch back on the replay. Okay. We will keep this video, I think, forever. Yeah, I probably have a slightly internet problem. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is that I'm not sure whether this simulator and this going to be synced, but what I'm going to do is that I'm going to press confirm. Probably you can't see it, right? Can you see it? This red button. I'm going to press it. See, the receipt will print out. Yeah. So this receipt will print out. It can works as yeah. There's a yeah. Here you go. So this receipt will actually includes the shipping address. So you can actually pass this receipt to the kitchens. Then they will start to do the packing, and then you can give this receipt to the driver or pickup guy to do the delivery. So this functions as both. Okay. All right. I think I have covered most of the items here, but again, if I if I don't cover as much as possible, or you have any inquiry based on your different um, business, then let us know. Okay, different requirement, different setup will require different way of how we can do it. All right, don't worry about it. We are here to help. Yeah, Sandy are here to help, and then I think we have another person called Mandy, Sandy and Mandy. They will respond to your questions. Okay, don't worry about it. And yes, I would like to repeat. If you would like to have an if you would like to have an account to try out, then just go to somebody you can look at this URL link, okay, which is we share in this chat group, this comment that you can just go and register yourself. Okay, then you have any questions, just inform Sandy and Mandy in our Facebook page. So two of them will answer to your questions. Okay, all right. I think I have covered almost everything about eMenu. So if let's say we're going to have a new features coming out for eMenu, I probably will do a live stream again just to introduce what are those enhancements. And yeah, because over the period of time, we will receive quite a lot of feedback from customers. Then we will enhance things by bits by bits. So hopefully, you guys can come on board as well. Then we would love to see you guys then and see how our system able to help your business in this MCO or CMCO period. Okay, so I'll see you again on the next video. All right, probably I will cover some of the other products. Well, we don't know. Then stay tuned, and then please share this video in your social group or in your page, to your friends. Let them know about this system. And then yeah, we have 3 months for them to try. If let's say they like it, they can use it instantly. All right, then that will be good for everybody as well, right? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.